I'm Megan Miller, the Director of Sales here at the Ramkota Hotel and Conference Center. Some of the things that we've changed on property to help keep our guests safe include a shield at the front desk. This helps keep our guests and the front desk employees safe while interacting with each other at check-in and check-out. Along with that, you'll find social distancing markers throughout the hotel that allow our guests and our employees know to be 6 feet apart and where to stand at all times. Another precaution that we've taken is a pre-shift health check for all of our employees. Before they start their shift, they're required to complete this health check so that we know if they've traveled out of state, have a fever, or feel unwell. This health check, once completed and is okayed by their supervisor, they receive a green light to work sticker. So that is displayed throughout their shift so that every guest knows that they are good to work. One of the other precautions that we've taken in our guest room is using a fogging machine. This fog machine is a mixture of chemicals with water that we mist throughout the room once the guest has departed. This allows our employees to be safe once going into the room and the guests knowing that we have properly sanitized the room for their safety as well.